Here is a wonderful 2015 Honda CR-V. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. You'll love the high-end feel and powerful performance of this sleek CR-V. This small SUV also comes fully loaded with advanced safety and infotainment technology, clever creature comforts, and a can-do attitude. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, premium sound system, fog lamps, wood grain interior trim, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start. Being adventurous never felt so refined. Treat yourself to a road test in the Honda CR-V and enjoy an exceptional driving experience.